Hello everyone, welcome to install Mania. It is my very fresh Windows 11 operating system. So when I install my Windows 11 operating system, suddenly I uninstall my terminal from this operating system. So now I will install Windows terminal on Windows 11 PC. So I will show you how to install it on Windows 11 PC if you suddenly uninstall it. So at first I open my Microsoft Store, and this is the Microsoft Store. Here is a lot of apps you can easily install on your Windows 11 PC. Here are some games and movies, etc, etc. So now I just install terminal. So I search terminal from the search bar, TERMINAL, and I hit enter. And this is the Windows terminal that I want to install. So I click on it and I click on install button. So within few minutes it will be installed. At first it will download the necessary setup file, then it will be installed automatically on Windows 11. So installation is complete. So I click on open. Yeah, this is the terminal. So I close this terminal from here and close this Microsoft Store. When I want to start from start menu, this is the terminal, and we can easily start it from Windows start menu. So that was my video. In this video I will show you how to install Windows terminal on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button and comment under the comment section. If you watch this video from YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video from Facebook, please hit the like button and follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.